on, just nice and easy. Let it go like to that speed for about 10 seconds.
8 miles per hour.
Alright, a little faster. Take it up to 2,000 RPMs.
Alright, 9 miles per hour.
For about 10 seconds. Alright, start working it up. Take it back up. Take it out of gear.
I
You
did.
got all the gauges?
Yes, I
Are you
am.
getting all the gauges?
I am getting all the gauges.
Turn it off. Okay. Let's turn it back on. Keep videotaping. The alarm went. The check engine light did not go that time. Okay, hold on. Let's get the. So, well, there's a engine temperature coming up. Here we go.
Ready?
Okay, start dropping gear. Go about 10 seconds at that RPMs, at about 1,200 RPMs. Then I want you to do 10 at 2,000 RPMs. Making sure our engine temperature stays up. Start working up a little bit. Working up a little more. Just a little bit above, right about there. Leave it there. Work it up to 2,500. Okay, work it up to 2,800. Okay, so at 28, okay, back it up. Nice and easy. Take it out of gear. Okay, turn the engine off. Okay. Let's turn it on. So all the gauges come back up.
Ready?
Hold on. Put the gauges on gauge. Okay. Drop it in gear.
Alright.
Let's keep it at 1,500 RPMs. We're okay. Start working up to 2,000. Keep it at 2,500 RPM. Let's come back up. All right, drop it in gear. Work yourself up to 2,000 RPMs, 2,500 RPMs.
Fast or slow?
Just kind of work it up nice and deep at a regular speed. At a decent clip. Turn it on. Yes, neutral. Okay. Now, this is what you ski at. Ready?
Okay.
Give it just like you would be pulling somebody up. Keep videotaping, what's up?
I am.
Let it run all the way to the back. They're taking pictures. Get behind you. Get on the other side, people. Alright. Alright, take it out of here, please. Okay, drop it in gear like it would be for to pull somebody. Drop it in gear. Hit it. Perfect fast kicked in. Slowed it down. No. Watch out, guys. I'm gonna get
I put it in the glove box. Do you need her to stop?
No, I want you to film
Filming.
this.
Do you want me to turn it off?
You out of gear? Yep, I'm gonna tell you to turn it off here.
Turn it off?
Okay, turn the engine off. I'm checking the transmission fluid. Supposed to check it when it's hot.
What about the temperature?
Transmission fluid. Right there. Just drop it back in. Taking it back out to check it. Transmission fluid. Is it high? I don't know. Maybe it's high. Don't have any idea. Okay. I'm gonna check the oil. You can turn it off, Alyssa.
What?
You can hold on. Just keep it on.
The other cannon, they're added underneath.
There we go. Doesn't look like anything is leaking. There's the filter. That's what the filter is. Filter's not leaking. Nothing there from the transmission. Nothing's leaking in the bottom. You don't have the extra. I don't have that. I don't have that. Okay. Oil level. It's good. Have no idea why it keeps going off when we first start going. Yesterday it would go off and then it stopped going off, and then as we would pull people or would move throughout the day, once in a while the check engine light would flash. No alarm, would just flash on, flash off, here and there. That was very intermittent. This is what's going on. This problem's been going on for over a year. It is all last season. You guys lake tested it. I guess you hooked it up to the computer, couldn't find anything. Hopefully a code will get thrown that you guys will be able to figure this out next week and see what it is. I don't know if it's a knock sensor. I would like the transmission fluid changed and a filter changed, because I don't know if it's ever been done before. Just need to figure this out. Boat's got 453 miles on, 353 hours on it. We're gonna film throughout the day as we pull people on the gauges, so you can see if it actually goes off or not and what we're doing. That's it.